Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video, we're going to go over JASMY. So JASMY right now is trading at 0.009298. We can see market cap, we are up 3.68%. 24-hour volume, we are pumping it at 58.30%. So heading over to our chart here, I do want to show you some indications where we may actually see the price come back a little bit before continuing this uptrend and seeing how the momentum of the uptrend is as strong, if it is strong enough. So right off the bat, you guys, we can see these candlesticks on a 2-hour time frame. So we've got this candlestick at the very bottom here, almost a doji candle. We can ultimately, debate if it is an inverted hammer candlestick itself. But what we can see is that the body itself is getting smaller and smaller, and where it's defined is at the bottom. So we can anticipate that the bears are going to be taking over pretty much soon because we compare it off to our RSI. Again, it is closer to the top frame, but not considered to be oversold. We can see the placement of the price as well, not clearly again overbought, because at the very top here, this is the Bollinger Band upper band itself, and it is not considered overbought. So as the price is coming back up, what we may actually anticipate the price to do at this point at the 62% is actually consolidate sideways. We can consolidate sideways until we can retest this resistance line as well. So if we take a look at this resistance line at 9478, I'm going to scroll out here and show you guys this was a tested support and a resistance line back here. We've got here on July 13th, and then here tested multiple times until it finally broke through. However, got caught just above the 50 moving average, and then coming back down. And take a look at how many times it was tested the resistance line, finally broke up in here on July 19th, and then it was turned into a resistance, turned into support along these lines here. So it's going to test it again. The more times again we test it, the more times it's going to break. Notice the volume as well came back to normal that we saw through consolidation through this way as well. So what we can anticipate is that the price is going to come down and then come back up and retest this line. Where the price may actually want to lead to is going to be an area of supply and demand where there was a lot of volume involved at the dollar price, which is this fixed indicator that we have, which is the volume indicator. So we can see already it is roughly a higher or just slightly above our 61% of our fib chart, which is 9061. So if price does come back down here, and if we anticipate price coming down and then bouncing back up and retesting our resistance line, we're still in the current trend line itself. We are still creating a higher a lower high compared to this previous peak and our last peak out of this channel itself. So it is still going to be strong. However, we can see that the momentum is getting weakened on our MACD. So if we open our MACD indicator, we can see that these lines itself are getting lighter in color. However, the bars are still as big compared to going into our consolidation and then our volume increasing here. So price again is going to come back down. I'm anticipating we're going to hold at 61%, 9061, and then coming back up, as we can see in the characteristics of the previous candlestick itself. So thank you guys so much for watching. That's my update here for JASMY. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.